Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva La Pink Posh. So as you guys can see by the title of today's video, we are doing yet another video to help you guys grow and excel your online business, even if you are that business. So in today's video, we are going to be diving into TikTok and how I grew my TikTok to 800,000 followers. And also I'm going to be giving you guys tips and tricks so you guys can do the exact same thing. Okay guys, so hopping straight into the video. As we all know, TikTok is the new up and poppin' social media platform. If you're not on TikTok, then I don't know what you're doing with your life. So you need to get it together, sis. You need to get it together and hop on TikTok so that you can start utilizing TikTok to blow up and expand your other social media platforms. If you have a business and you're not on TikTok with your business, then you are missing out on so many advantages that TikToks offer. Like, I've seen TikTok literally blow businesses up. And not only have I seen it, I've experienced it, because my business is where it is today because of TikTok. Not because I do YouTube, not because of my Instagram, but because of my TikTok. My business has blown up. So I'm going to be giving you guys the 5 most important tips and tricks and things that you need to be implementing on your TikTok so that your account is growing. If you guys are not aware, I did do a video previously before. I'll link it here. I did a video before of how to grow your TikTok. And at that point, I was at 100K. I'm now at more than 500,000 followers. I'm at 800,000 subscribers, like 800.2. And I am growing very, very fast because I'm gonna tell you guys why. So hopping straight into the video, the first tip I'm going to be telling you guys is that you have to be consistent. This is going to be the number one. If you don't follow any of the other rules, follow this rule because it's the most important one. You are not going to see any type of results if you are not implementing this number one rule on your TikTok. So the number one tip is going to be that you must post consistently on TikTok. You cannot get on TikTok one day and post and then not open TikTok or not post on TikTok for another month or so. I've seen a lot of people do it. You have to be consistent with your TikTok. What I mean by consistent, I mean consistent. This is not Instagram. You're going to have to post at least 3 times a day. 3 times a day, guys. If you post more than 3 times a day, that's even better because you're going to see better results. You're going to see faster results. So you have to post consistently on TikTok, consistently as in 3 times a day. If you are a creator, you do have the option of utilizing the creator account. And this is where you'll have analytics and you can actually see the best posting times for you. So for me personally, my posting time is going to be at 3 o'clock. I post at 3. Then I post again at 6. And then I post again at 9. Sometimes if I'm feeling happy and I'm feeling lucky and I'm liking the results that I've been getting from out that day, I will post again at 10 o'clock. I feel like the most active time, the most time people are active is at nighttime. I'm talking between 9 to 12. People are very active at that time because people are laying in the bed. They want to see entertainment. Their day is finished. They had a long day at work. They want to laugh. They want to enjoy themselves. So people are on TikTok at nighttime. So if you are posting on TikTok, make sure it's at night. And then again, go into your creator studio and you are able to see the best times and also the best days that you should be posting for your TikTok account. Everyone's account is absolutely different. So while I have your attention, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's absolutely free and it supports my channel and it helps me to keep being able to make these type of videos for entrepreneurs like you and myself. So go ahead and subscribe, become a part of the notification gang, and you will never miss one of my videos, guys. I promise you won't be let down. Back to the video. Okay, so tip 2 is going to be that you have to use trending sounds. So as you guys know, when you create a TikTok video, you are able to just start from scratch and you do get the sound feature. It's gonna pop up right on the top of the screen of your TikTok when you're creating a video. You can select trending sounds, or most viral sounds, TikTok viral sounds. And those sounds will more likely get your video to go viral and rank the For You page. The goal is to get on the For You page. That is the major goal. So the third rule is going to be you have to recreate trending videos. Hop on the trends. I know sometimes, like even myself, I'm like, I don't want to follow trends. I don't want to be like that. But these videos are going to get your videos viral, and then you can niche down to things that you actually want to create. But once you get the traffic, this is the whole goal, is to get the traffic to your page. If you get the traffic from a viral video, then your followers are going to go up because people are going to search down the rest of your videos, and if they see stuff that they like, if they love your content, then they are going to follow you. So as for trends, it does not have to be a dance. It could be a lot of videos trend on TikTok where you just add a simple text and you use a certain sound. Those videos go viral a lot. So trends does not have to necessarily mean dancing, because I am not a dancer myself. I mean, I try, but I'm not really a dancer. Okay, so leave that to the generation, what is that, Z, X, Y? I don't know. Cuatro is going to be always try to use TikTok features. TikTok has so many features and they are constantly adding features. So here are a few features that I suggest you use. Well, features that you should be using. Okay, so the first feature I'm gonna recommend is that you use Stitch. You can stitch someone else's video. Their video went viral, okay? So you can just pretty much feed off of them and get your virality from their video by just stitching them. Or also you could duet their video. There are a lot of accounts on TikTok who just do duets and they do like reactions. So it's the original video here and then the person's video here, and you're just reacting to a video. I've seen so many people go viral just doing that because they're using a TikTok feature. So definitely implement using stitches and duets. So another feature that you want to use is the filters that TikTok has. TikTok has a lot of filters, to be honest. They have green screen, they have like motion features. I don't really dabble in the features unless it's trending, and like when I go to create a trending video, the feature or the effect automatically pops up, then I'll use it because I know that that's what the viral person used. So for the effects, I definitely recommend that you kind of play with it and figure out which effects works for you. Again, you want to be using all of TikTok features, including their effects. So another feature that was just implemented on TikTok is the 3-minute video feature. And this is where you're able to make videos as long as 3 minutes. So I definitely recommend that you sneak a few 3-minute videos onto your page so that you're utilizing all of TikTok features. And the last two features I recommend that you guys use is the caption feature. Like say if I had this video on TikTok, it would have the captions below, and this kind of helps TikTok to pick up keywords and help to market your videos to the niche that it belongs in, to the people who are actually going to enjoy your content. And the last feature is going to be the voice to text. Again, it's another way of doing captions, but it's not your voice, it's automated voice like Siri or Alexa, but the voice is weird. Okay, so the last tip is going to be to use hashtags in your niche. So when I first did my original TikTok video, I did mention to use hashtags like FYP, For You page, viral, like top hashtags. But now that TikTok has changed and it's kind of oversaturated, well, becoming oversaturated, you want to use hashtags that are in your niche. Like say if I'm doing resin, I just want to use resin hashtags like resin video, resin pour, resin DIY. Just stick to that niche for that video, and TikTok will know where to send the video and whose For You page to put that video on top of, which is what you want. Because obviously if that person is in the niche and they're watching your video and they like your video, they're gonna go down your page again and see the content that they like, and they're going to follow you. This is the whole thing. We want followers, because generating followers for TikTok is how you're gonna get money. You guys, I'm an influencer. I've been an influencer for years. I've done sponsored posts for Instagram, but I've never seen so many companies reach out to me for sponsored posts than on TikTok, guys. I'm telling you guys, build them platforms. You're missing out on so much money. So guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys take these tips and start implementing them on your TikToks. Let me know in the comments which one you are going to be starting to implement on your TikTok, and I would love to know if you guys are starting to see results. Let me know in the comments, because I will hype you guys up. I'll be happy for you. I'll comment on your posts. Just drop your TikTok usernames in the comments below, and I'll definitely support your channels, guys. You guys know I always reply back to all of my comments, so drop your TikTok usernames below, and I'll definitely show you guys some love. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time guys, don't forget to subscribe. Peace and much love. Bye guys. See you on TikTok.